Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the topic called obesity. Obesity is a medical condition involving an abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that presents a negative effect on health. Obesity is defined as having a body mass index BMI of 30 kg per square meter or more. The range 25 to 30 kg per square meter is defined as overweight. A body mass index is a measurement obtained by dividing a person's weight by the square of the person's height. Obesity is further evaluated in terms of fat distribution around the waist. Men with a waist measurement of 94 cm or more and women with a waist measurement of 80 cm or more are more likely to develop obesity related health problems. Obesity is a chronic medical condition that increases your risk of diseases and health problems, particularly certain types of cancer, cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis, infertility, irregular periods, non alcoholic fatty liver, obstructive sleep apnea. Obesity can also affect your quality of life and lead to psychological problems such as depression, low self esteem, shame, guilt, and social isolation. Obesity is more common in women than in men. Obesity is a leading preventable cause of death worldwide with increasing rate in children and adults. In 2015, the estimate shows that 600 million adults and 100 million children were obese in 195 countries. Causes: obesity is caused by eating more calories than you burn through exercise and normal daily activities. As a result, your body stores these excess calories as fat. Common specific causes of obesity include inactivity, having a sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy eating such as eating a poor diet of food high in calories, lack of sleep. This can lead to hormonal changes that can increase your appetite. You may also crave food high in calories, which can contribute to weight gain. Genetics can play a role in how your body converts food into energy and how your body burns calories during exercise. Pregnancy. Sometimes weight gain during pregnancy may be hard to lose, eventually leading to obesity. Aging, which can lead to a decrease in the amount of muscle in your body. This increased muscle mass level, slower metabolic rate, making it easier to gain weight. Certain medications may cause weight gain or changes in the body composition, such as insulin, antidepressants, steroids, and some form of hormonal contraception. Obesity can sometimes caused by some certain medical conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, Prader-Willi syndrome, Cushing syndrome, hypothyroidism. Symptoms: the symptom of obesity is having a BMI of 30 or more. Obesity can be categorized as BMI of 30.0, obese class 1, BMI of 35.0 to 39.9, obese class 2, BMI of 40.0 and higher, obese class 3. Diagnosis: if your BMI falls in the obesity range, the doctor will review your family and health history, perform a general physical examination, and recommend some tests. The general physical examination may include checking vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and temperature. The doctor will also check for other possible obesity related problems. Blood tests may be used to examine cholesterol and glucose levels, liver function tests, diabetes screen, thyroid test, heart tests such as electrocardiogram. All this information will help the doctor to determine how much weight you need to lose and what health conditions or risks you already have. Treatment: the aim of treatment is to help you lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. They require changes in your eating habits and an increased physical activity. Treatment options suitable to you depends on your level of obesity, overall health, and your preference. Other treatment tools include behavior changes, weight loss surgery, dietary changes, exercise and activity, weight loss modification. Thank you.